How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, where I catch bottoms and tops in the stock market. And today I want to go over a ticker that I talked about before, and I just want to give you guys an update on what I see, and that is ticker VLCN. And I'm going to show you guys this reversal strategy that I have been doing for over 6 years to catch bottoms and tops, and it's a unique strategy that no one else has that I use to make consistent money. All right, before I get right into it, do keep in mind that we have a premium Discord of only $6 a month, and that is never going to change, as I do firmly believe that is a price that any account can do, no matter what your size is, to make tons of money. But let me get right into the system, and if you want to join, stay till the end of the video, and that link will be into the YouTube comments below. I spent a lot of time researching stocks that I think that are going to be reversal, so I put a lot of time into this. And what I want you guys to know is the system and give you a general idea, because obviously if you're trading VLCN, you are looking for a reversal because it's been down a lot, and you do get reversal points in these stocks that have been just, look at this chart has been down forever, but it doesn't mean you can't make money on it. There's plenty of money to be made. As we can see, they did have a reverse split way back in here on January 5th, making the stock go down a lot, and it's been going down ever since, right? But this is completely normal what I'm seeing here. What I want to show you guys is the three bands. The bottom band is a buy zone. The middle band is where price has to correct to. Every time you see gaps like this, you're going to see these middle band swift touches. The upper band is a sell zone. That is where price gets shorted, where you should never be buying. A lot of people will buy puts and short the stock when it does that. What I want to show you is how important is this middle band touch really is. There's a couple times you could have traded it. One right here, the middle band was clearly touched at 1017. And you see all these candles mean absolutely nothing to my system because none of them are at my bottom band. And then I'm going to show you also the KDJ to look for. So we have, keep that in mind, 1017 is the date that this was touched at the middle band. And we know it's powerful knowledge that it has to hit it. So we'll keep that in mind. Anything over a month is pretty long. The next touch was 1226. So 1017 to 1117, 1117 to 1217. That is 2 months and some change. So that is very long, and that's why you had this swift move up, making tons of money. Now, I want to show you guys exactly why it is important to use this and use it to your system to work very properly, right? I like to look for extremely low KDJs on penny stocks. Like right in here is a low KDJ of 2. And whenever you see a big move down like this, do ever think about the gap. Don't ever think that this is going to fill. A lot of people see this gap right in here that, okay, this is actually going to fill. It does not have to. It can go way away from it without ever filling. That is the trap that gets a lot of retail traders thinking, oh, if it drops down a lot, it creates this gap on the daily. I'm going to buy on this first red candle. You never buy the first red candle. You let it settle for at least a week, no matter what, because that means sellers are in control, and Wall Street is never going to make it so easy where if this drops 65%, we're going to buy this candle right here. Don't ever do that. It is the biggest trap you will see. Wait a week and then assess what's going on. Right in here where you can see is a low K, and you can get massive gain right in here. Put the stop right where you entered, or just take the profit and you get stopped out, and then wait for the next big signal, because this was a tricky trade. Like I said, it took 2 months to hit this middle band, but right in here, you would get your next signal, and you can hold this out for this big middle band run and make so much profits on this trade right in here if you took that. Now, a lot of people are like, well, let's see the current data. As you can see every gap is getting filled. Let's say, when I say gap to middle band, let's say the current data right in here, where are we at? And this was the same trade right in here. You see this big gap, and it's so low that it got filled here, but it wasn't really what I'm looking at. What I want to see is close as possible to the lower band. That's what I want to see with a low KDJ. What I'm missing on this trade is, as you can see, the KDJ on the K is 33. That's this line right here to get preciser entries. So, as you can see, when it pumped, I'm going to show you the last time it pumped. It had a K of 3 and a 4, and then it went up, and then it drastically readjusted the K. That's what you want to see is down here, but right in here, we have a K of 33. So this is not a trade that I have to get in. I repeat, this is not a trade that I have to, just get in right away. Just because, one, we're not touching the lower band. Two, we have a pretty high K, and then three, this is not as long as time distance I want. 220, it's 228. I want to see at least a month and a half. And usually when we get that time distance, you'll usually see it kind of near this lower band. It does not mean that we can't just get a swift kick and hit this middle band again, just like we did right in here at this. It went down a lot, had this middle band gap, and then it swift kicked it up, made over 100%, and then we're doing the same pattern. Down a lot, have a middle band gap, but at least this time I would want to see a low K. This is a pretty high K, and it can swiftly pull back. So that's my analysis on VLCN. This was the trade that I liked, right down here, touching the lower band with a long, big gap, and then we touched it right in there. You don't have to have that long. I look for over 1 month and a half, but I want to see closest to the lower band as possible, and never, this is with any stock, never ever trade the first week of a big move down. As you can see, it is very detrimental and it will destroy your account because that is shorts in control. Let the shorts die out and then get in. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do keep in mind I have a premium Discord of only $6 a month, and it is the best Discord as I can possibly put out there. You get my experience of all my money losing days and all my hard work. So I put all my effort into this. I do this full time, and I love it. I love teaching, and I'm in this chat all the time. So if you want to join the premium Discord of only $6 a month of how I do this full time and successfully make money month after month, join it. I'll put the YouTube comment, the link below into the YouTube comments. It will say join the premium Discord for the best trades. And when you click that link, what you're going to do is it's going to go to the free chat area like this. And this does not mean you're subscribed. All you have to do is go to the subscriptions tab over here where it has premium chat, trade alerts, set of view. Click on any of those channels and it'll opt you to subscribe for only $6 a month. And what you will get is my exact trade alerts of the ticker I'm in. And then when I sell, my setup video of the best trend reversal, how to trade options, how to get your screen to look like this so you get a painting picture of what the algos are doing. All they're doing is painting a canvas. When they go down, they're painting their brush down. They got to fill the canvas up with paint, and then they paint up. That's all this is. They're painting down, reversal, painting up. Painting down, reversal, painting up. But we want to make sure we're getting in as close as possible to when the painter paints up, and that is the algos. That is simply what we're doing with this strategy, and those reversals can get you 100% win rate, or 100% wins, as you can see right here. And my win rate is over 95%. I lost one trade in the past 6 months, and so it really does work. Penny stocks are harder. You got to be a little more patient, but do keep in mind that this does work amazing, right? So absolutely, I love doing this. I really hope you guys really want to join the premium Discord. So what I want to tell you guys, if you want to cancel, you can do that anytime, but I promise you I will make you guys a lot of money, and $6 is not that much. And I know whatever account size you get, I can make that easily. And the thing what I like about it is any account size can trade this. If you guys want to also give my this video a like, subscribe, or comment it, every type of engagement helps the algorithm share to other people. And if you found this necessary of like, oh, I like reversals, because this is my personality. If your personality is to find cheap shares of a stock instead of chasing it when it's going up like this, and you don't want to chase it, but you want to rather actually buy when it's calm and chill, and then sell it to the chasers. That's my personality, and I'm sure a lot of you that are watching it, that's your personality too. So I appreciate the like, subscribe. It really helps the channel. And I hope to see you guys in the premium Discord. The link will be down in the YouTube comments. And let's make some money together. Peace out.